Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and on a recent trip to the Magic Kingdom, I took a ride with my family on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover to enjoy the scenery and check out some updates on the construction of the brand new Tron coaster. So come with me and enjoy views from the PeopleMover. The Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover is a great ride to enjoy in the middle of a busy Magic Kingdom day because you're treated to a relaxing tour of Tomorrowland. And on this particular ride on the PeopleMover, we got to check out the updates on the construction of the brand new Tron coaster, which is highly anticipated and will take its place right behind Space Mountain as part of Tomorrowland.
And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City is the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
Look, there's the Eiffel Tower on top of that building, with the cross on top. That's
Just like Progress City, the PeopleMover is filled with vignettes that are all reflective of Walt Disney's vision of what the future would be like. You'll notice here that the Tomorrowland Speedway is closed until further notice, and that's to allow for construction on the new Tron coaster.
The Eiffel Tower? Where? Right there. That thing right there, that yellow thing? No, that's not the Eiffel Tower, that's the crane.
The Magic Kingdom Tron coaster was first announced at the D23 Expo in July of 2017. It will be a partially enclosed roller coaster that will allow you to take a ride on your own light cycle.
Different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating pier, whole families welcome you to their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that's made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
This is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor Zurg.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Rosati.
Look, there's Cinderella Castle!
Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good achievement movie. We're on a tight schedule here.
I hope you enjoyed these views from the PeopleMover, including updates on the construction of the brand new Tron coaster, which is one of many additions and improvements coming to Walt Disney World in the next couple of years. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell so that you never miss out. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.